Hello everyone, CT Diagnostics is here, and today I'm going to be replacing this wheel bearing, and this method can be used pretty much on a wide variety of different cars and trucks. Before we even go there, we can just change take off the brake caliper and the bracket, right? Okay guys, I'm going to be removing the caliper bracket and caliper together, okay? Alright. Okay, put it aside. Remove the rotor, the wheel bearing, hub nut. That's a 27mm. So this is 1,400 foot-pounds. That's how the Milwaukee does it, guys. Just like that, easy. Alright, so now see the axle just slide right in. We're going to remove the 3 bolts. There's one right here sticking out there, and this is another one down here, and there's another one on the other, and there's one more on the other side. Okay, so we got it on nicely. So just gotta get this in. Even if this one is twist, it's not bad, but as long as the other one is it's perfect on there. The socket is perfect on there, then you're okay. Okay, let's. Okay, so we gotta use a U-joint here for this one. Okay, so now we have 4 different joints. That's how you do it. Alright.
See that? So you have to get the Milwaukee if you need some stuff done fast. Okay. Come on. Do it.
Okay, there you go. Just turn this. And pull. Alright. So now we're right there. You can see perfect. You get a Milwaukee in. You do your socket in there, take it off, look it, put the socket on, nice and flush. Then you put the extension on. Then, see? Just like that. Like a baby. Okay? That was like a baby, okay guys? Alright, so you gotta push the axle in. Take this off and just unscrew this, take it out with your hand, okay? Just like that. Alright, that's all 3. So now we're gonna move this now. You're gonna straighten back the hub up, push it back in, like this, and then we're gonna come from the front now. Okay guys, so now we have to remove the right here. Have to remove this. We just gotta take this off now, but we gotta get the cable. I know the cable. If you're not gonna use the cable again, you can always just cut it off and then remove it after. Okay? But I'm just gonna remove it. And if you have the Milwaukee, guys, you don't have to use the you don't have to use the. You don't have to worry about heating up the bolts because the Milwaukee is powerful enough to remove the bolt on its own. Okay? That's a 1,400 foot-pound. So remember, this method can be used and pretty much any wheel bearing. You disconnect the wheel bearing from inside the hood, and then you fish it outside here. Just pull it out. Alright, and that's it, guys. That's the connector. Okay, so now you gotta remove the wheel bearing, and there's different way of doing this. There's different ways of doing this here. Okay, you can use a slide hammer and do it. Let's try this tool here. Here like this. And then you take the lug nuts and you screw it on. And we'll see if it comes out this way. Okay? If not, we're gonna have to use the if not, then we're gonna have to use the. We have to get it, bang it in there, break the seal, then we'll get it off. Okay, so let's see. Where is that? Milwaukee. Right, the Milwaukee is powerful enough to do this job, but you just can't have the adapters, the extensions and all these things, because it takes away the strength from the Milwaukee. Okay. Milwaukee stuff. Let's see. We're gonna put this on here. Screw it in. Screw it in. And we're gonna try to yank it out. Okay. So let's try yank. There you go. I think it's coming, guys. I think it's coming. Make sure the axe is not in the way. It's good. So now we gotta go in front here. To the side, I think. Yeah, that's better. What we're gonna do, we gotta clean up on the inside here. Just use a little sandpaper and just clean up the inside, clean up around the face of the hub here, the face of the knuckle actually, right? And
alright, so it's another job I got. It's another one for the Milwaukee again, guys. All I have is Milwaukee tools. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I'm not advertising for Milwaukee, but that's all I have. It's moving a little bit too slow for my use. Okay. Alright, let's turn it up to maximum. Alright, we gotta use this one. Move the axe out of the way. Brake rotor spray, okay? But we can't have that dust going all around, man. It's too much in your lungs. Can't have a dust. Okay, guys. That's it.
because I don't want to come back and it's hard to come out. I'm going to put some of this stuff. Okay, I'm going to put some of this stuff. Okay, it's the film. I just spray it on. So what does corrosion? It protects it from corrosion from its corrosion again. Alright, put it on the inside. I'm taking out the whole one, putting the whole one back on. Okay. Alright, so just line up nicely. Just like how you see it. Just like how you get it off. And just push it in by hand. Everything should fall right in nicely. Just like that. See? Just like that, guys. Just stick it in. Just like that, guys. Okay? Gotta put the screws on back in. We have new screws. So Alright, so we get a whole pack of new stuff right here. Okay, new nuts and bolts, whole pack. Okay, so we're gonna use the same 15 again, okay? That's what we're gonna use this time. Alright, so we're gonna push in the back, put it back in. Alright, we're gonna stick all three of them in. Stick all of them inside, stick there. Push your axle in and sit them all inside. Alright, there you go. And the other one. Alright. There you go guys. So they're all inside, so we gotta just line them up and tighten them up now. And they come with tread locks, so you don't have to worry about tread lock on them. And some good, really good tread lock they come with, guys. Okay, because I told you they have tread locks. Tread locks so they won't go too far inside, okay? Alright. Alright, there you go. So now we gotta use the Milwaukee again. We gotta use the Milwaukee again, guys. So guys, we gotta use the Milwaukee again to tighten these, okay? So that's it. Awesome. There you go. That's 84 pounds. Alright, 84 pounds.